Let's talk about this weather, Brittany, and the fact that we are pretty spoiled this weekend. And even the changes, it's nothing major. I mean, no severe weather for us based on what we just saw a moment ago.
That's exactly right. We're enjoying sunny skies, warm temperatures. We do have some cooler air on the way. That's going to make it feel more like the holidays. But even as those fronts move in, bringing the cooler temperatures, they're going to move through dry. So it will just get windy and chilly. But if you're traveling in Texas this week, you don't have to worry about that precipitation. I mean, today we hit 80 degrees at 3:51 p.m. We should be seeing highs around 64. Our mornings should be starting off in the lower 40s, and we are going to get back to that over the next couple of days. So right now we have this very breezy southerly flow drawing in some of that moisture, helping to boost our temperatures, but we are tracking a front that's sitting just to our north. This is going to continue to slide south into North Texas around mid-morning tomorrow. And then you'll notice our winds shift out of the north. That's when we start to see that cooler air moving in. It's going to give us a chilly afternoon, and we'll likely see our temperatures dropping off as we head into the afternoon hours. So here's a look at those future temperatures. It's going to be a beautiful evening, very warm out there. Around midnight is when we're likely going to have our highest temperature, still sitting in the upper 60s around DFW. As we get closer to 7 a.m., we get that usual diurnal drop in temperature. So we're waking up to the lower 60s in DFW. Notice we're already getting 50s off to the northwest. That's with that front moving in, and then we're going to see a lot of mid to upper 50s across the area. A bit warmer down to the southeast, though, as it takes a little bit longer for that front to move through that area. But looking ahead to the middle of the week, we are going to warm back up to near 80 degrees as we head into your Wednesday. And then look at this colder air really moving in for Thursday and Friday. So by Thanksgiving and Black Friday, we're only looking at highs in the mid 50s. And we do have a first alert weather day for Friday morning. We're going to see the coldest air so far this season, and that's going to bring us widespread 30s across the area. That freezing line getting a lot closer to the Red River. So we don't want you to be surprised by that, especially if you're going to be out shopping early on Black Friday. Definitely bundle up, and you're going to want the jackets for the afternoon as well. But as far as rainfall, we're not expecting any rain over the next 7 days in our area. Maybe East Texas getting a spotty shower associated with this system. This is what's bringing that cooler air in on Thursday, but you'll notice it just brings us an increase in cloud cover and those breezy winds, keeping our temperatures in the mid 50s, but it doesn't bring us any rain. So our first alert 7-day forecast looking pretty good. Temperatures falling below normal for Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Brief warm up on Saturday, and then another front cools us back into the 50s on Sunday.